fancy photos.
Right.
That takes whatever. You do a minute and 40 seconds of we're the greatest in the world, so and so. You do a minute of the title girl telling you how wonderful title insurance is. You do another minute and a half. You're done.
Right. I don't think anything else.
New listings and insight from Miami to you. I'm your host and fellow peer, John Porter, here with Sal Davidi of Davidi Realty. Sal, the quick question of the week this week is, we asked before, I wanted to get into real estate as an investment. What kind of cash do I need?
Well, you're going to need obviously some cash. Unlike when you're buying your own primary residency with a lot of programs with very small down payments. You're buying a house, there's programs with 3.5% down, 5% down. Commercial or second home investment, it's a different ballgame. That's going to range even as a down payment between 10, 20, 30%. If you're going to buy all cash, it makes it much easier, obviously. But I would think that to buy an investment property in today's market, you're going to need anywhere between $50,000 plus $1,000. Without that, it's very, very tough to make it work. Because you need money also for repairs, for closing costs, and carrying costs while the property is either getting ready to be resold or getting ready to be rented out.
Okay. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you haven't already, send in a question to questions@davidirealty.com, and we'll see you next time.